Hello and welcome to part 2 of my Getting Started series for zombie defense. In today's episode, we will be creating our first base using all of our loot from the last episode. Let us start by putting down our shield on top or next to the flag. The shield provides defense from zombie projectiles and has 5,000 health, which means zombies will struggle breaking it. Next up, we have these metal barricades that we can get from looting the golden chests in the server. We will put these around the flag. Let's fill up the corners with some mid-tier blocks like marble blocks or brick blocks. I will be using marble blocks for this. Okay, and let's also create a layer all the way around the base as well, since we have a fair few of these blocks. With what marble blocks I have left, I will try my best to make the base into a circular shape. Unfortunately, I was 2 blocks short, so I am just going to fill it in with some random blocks. I noticed we also had some concrete and plasma spikes stocked up, so I started adding these around the base so the zombies would damage themselves as they made it to the base. Next, I added a roof structure over the flag. This will be where I will be adding my strongest turrets to later on. I added some spots for where I will add my strongest turrets, the electric turrets as well as the super turrets. Ruben can sit up here as well, so he has a great view of the incoming zombies. I will now add some turrets and ice turrets on the sides of the base. Ice turrets are decent as they freeze zombies in place. Next, I'll add other unique turrets like the glue turrets, slime turrets and hydrogen turrets. These will slow down zombies, so they are worth adding to the build. Finally, for turrets, I will add on my cannons. To finish up, what I like to do sometimes is to add a ring of additional defense using the leftover mid-tier blocks. If you want to, you can use the gold we earned to buy chests or blocks to further add to the base. You can take a look at what you could potentially earn when buying the chest by clicking the chest, then clicking on the See What's Inside button. When you are finished with your build, it is worth saving by clicking on the floppy disk button found here. You have 5 save slots by default. Click one and save your build. You can name your save slot whatever you like. I will name mine Esophagus Base. We can come back here whenever to reload our base. Using some of the gold we have earned from the codes, I am going to buy a katana. It's a fairly decent starter weapon. Click buy and don't forget to then click equip, so we have the katana as part of our inventory. Alright, let's start our defense. Click the ready button and start from wave 1. Let's see how far we can get. Make sure to destroy every grave you can see, else the graves will turn into zombie buildings or zombie castles, which are a threat to our base. Here is our first boss. Nothing the katana can't handle. Time to head to the middle to check on my missions. Make sure to complete missions, as there are decent rewards as you progress through them later on. There is also daily missions which can grant gold and experience. Make sure to select one mission and one daily mission. As you progress throughout the waves, you will discover new zombies. Each new zombie type will get harder and harder. This electric zombie, for example, can sprint to the base. Luckily, Ruben has my back. Unfortunately, I missed a grave which transformed into a zombie castle with a witch house, which is a spell for disaster. And then a second arose to make matters worse. The witches came out and began to turn the tables against my base. Witches are very strong and can heal zombies. Unfortunately, I cannot do much about them unless I had a stronger weapon or turrets. I barely managed to take out the boss at wave 30. Now it's just a matter of time before I lose. At this point, there was about 7 witch zombies healing their minions around my base. And there we have it. I reached wave 33, which is decent for our first proper run. Could have got further if I was on top of destroying the graves too. And that ends it for episode 2 of my Getting Started Guide for Zombie Defense. In the next episode, I will be joining up with a team, launching nukes and getting super rich. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified for the next video. Thank you for watching.